We are your hosts, Noor
and Dallas. Today we will see which of our contestants can tell us why something isn't fair. Please welcome our contestants.
Hi, my name is Caitlin.
I'm Hashim. I'm Dorota.
I'm Faita.
I'm Skylar. I'm Artem.
To make it easier for you, we have some answers right here to choose from. Is a scenario unfair because
first situation. You push classmates out of the way so you can be first in line. It's not your turn to be line leader. Skylar,
Take turns.
Fantastic, Skylar.
your brother just bought a new shirt, you want to borrow it, but he is not at home. You decide to just take it without asking. He gets home and wants to wear it, but it's not there. Dora?
Do not use or borrow things without asking.
That's correct, Dora.
You are playing math games with your small group. You are shouting out the answers and not letting the others have a chance. They don't want to play that game with you anymore. Fasa?
Play by the rules.
You are correct, Fasa.
The snack bin is on the classroom counter. You take your snack and take an extra. Now there isn't enough for all the students who paid for snack. Caitlin?
Do not take more than your fair share.
Right you are, Caitlin.
You are playing with some friends outside at recess. Another child comes and asks to join your game. You tell them they can't play because they have a different skin color. Hashim?
Do not leave people out based on their differences.
Yet another correct answer, Hashim.
You take your classmate's cookie at lunch. He or she is not looking. Now they don't have a snack. Artem?
Do not take things that belong to someone else.
Wow, correct again. You've all played a perfect